Canary Health Digital Therapeutics Platform Honest Review. Watch before using. All relevant product links are included in the description below. Canary Health is a digital therapeutics platform specializing in self-management programs for people with chronic conditions and those who support them, such as caregivers. Unlike many digital health platforms that only target physical symptoms, Canary Health focuses heavily on behavior change, self-efficacy, and emotional well-being, areas often overlooked in chronic disease management. The platform's flagship product is the Better Choices, Better Health program, which is based on the Stanford University Chronic Disease Self-Management Program and has been clinically proven to improve health outcomes, reduce hospital visits, and enhance patient empowerment. It delivers structured, peer-led support through a series of online workshops, usually spread over 6 weeks, and focuses on helping participants develop actionable skills such as goal setting, symptom tracking, decision-making, and effective communication with healthcare providers. This platform is ideal for individuals dealing with long-term conditions like diabetes, arthritis, heart disease, depression, and chronic pain, and it's especially effective for those who prefer evidence-based, low-barrier, non-pharmacological interventions. Canary Health also offers programs tailored to caregivers, addressing stress management and burnout prevention, which adds to its unique value proposition. What makes Canary Health different is its emphasis on proven behavioral science and community support. Participants interact with trained facilitators and peers who are managing similar health challenges, which reinforces accountability and long-term engagement. The platform is HIPAA compliant and integrates with health systems and payers, making it scalable for enterprise use while still offering direct-to-consumer access in some cases. It's not focused on collecting massive amounts of device data. Instead, it's about empowering users to make consistent, healthier decisions day by day. Healthcare providers and insurers benefit from its population health analytics and outcomes tracking, which demonstrate real ROI through reduced emergency visits and improved adherence. If you're looking for a clinically validated program to manage a chronic condition through behavior change and community support, or if you're a provider or health plan seeking a scalable tool to drive outcomes, Canary Health is a platform worth considering. Check the links in the description for access to programs, case studies, and how to enroll or integrate it into your care ecosystem.